under the curse. All right, YouTubes. We got a crazy Saturday today. 7:33 a.m. We'll do a day in the life of Nor Cal on a Saturday. Right now I got 4 door gaskets I got to change out. Those always, those always suck. And then I got a compressor to change out. Then I got 2 reach-ins at a place. Then I got to go way up the coast to the brewery. The kegulator's out. And if we can get all that done before it's too late, I have a fridge down at one of the taquerias they want me to get to, and we'll try and see if we can get at least some video of all of this today. We're probably going to burn through a tank of gas or more. It's really spread out today, but it's spread out not in like a city type way, but kind of in a rural way. So it's cool. We get to go up to the mountains, we get to go out to the coast, we get to go right down here in the neighborhood. It's gonna be good. So I'll try and sneak in as much stuff as I can between the GoPro and the iPhone. Let's just do this. There's no time lapse today. We got a short commute to the first stop. I can just blabber on while we get to the first stop. Oh, the compressor I'm changing out, it's the one that overheated. It didn't make it. It lasted about a day. I cooled it off and it made it about a day. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys. And I'm debating in my mind if I want to switch it over to 448A, because it's 404 right now. All I got to do is change out the TXV while I'm in there. I might just do that. I'm thinking I might just switch it over. When I pull the cover off and see how old the TXV is, if it looks older and funky, then I'll go ahead and swap it. I got a Danfoss R22 valve on the truck that I'd use for the 448. All right, my cleanup guy's in there. Cool, I can get in here. Sweet. See you guys in there. All right, they sent me the wrong gaskets for the freezer, so I got to get that fixed up on Monday. I think these are the right ones for the drawers. We'll get those done. It never ends. I'll get the door gaskets and I'll soak them in hot water. And it'll make them pliable to work with, and they'll go right in. Get the old doors, clean them up as good as you can, and then get these soaking in some warm water, and you'll have good luck with them. All right, well, I got 2 of the 4 gaskets done. 2 of the gaskets they shipped me were the incorrect gaskets, so it's just more mental beat downs. I really wanted to get that one off the books, but Monday reorder. And we'll head over and do that compressor next. That's just the way it goes. Hey, but the good news is, man, I got clean pants on. New pair of socks feels so good, dude, when you're out working. And I got clean underwear, so hey, man, it's gonna be a great day. Some of the jobs go good, some of them go Murphy's. Turn it off the brain, get to the next one. And that's where we're headed. We're gonna get on to this next job. I got my knees in the work, not the breeze today. All right, we're here for the compressor change out. Let's get after it. We're like 8:17 in the morning. I was crushing that gasket replacement. But hey, here we go. This is where it starts. A little recovery. Break out the nerd. It's like Pulp Fiction. Break out the gimp. Break out the nerd. Star of the show. I love these Sporlan dryer side glass combos. Rubber glubber. I don't think we're too much on knee pads today. Not on this one. Oh yeah, I need a gauger. Manifold action. right, let's get in there. Start at the high side, why not? Get the tank open after we purged it. Alright, I gotta grab some tools to get the low side hooked up. While the unit's recovering, I was checking this out. Look, I gotta clean these out. Then this is noisy, it's the bracket. So I gotta take care of that too. These are both ECM fan motors, they're still good. And I want to look inside of here and see what TXV I got. Because I might switch this thing over to 448. So that's the 5/16. We got our solenoid for pump down. That's all good. I wired it up correctly so when it pumps down, so when it pumps down, let's take the shortcut. So when it pumps down, when it goes into defrost, it pumps down. That's what I was trying to say. So they wired the time clock in. That's the right way to do it, so you're just not banging on and off your compressor. Even though I do that sometimes, but the right way is to have it pump down for your defrost. That's right, I'm filming this with the iPhone. It films so much better in low light. Over the GoPro, so we're still pulling down. Grab this. We'll go take a look at that TXV. Well, it's got a nice Danfoss TXV, 404A Danfoss TXV. We'll check the superheat when we get done. I don't know what this is all about, but that's a nice Danfoss TXV right there. So I'm good with that. She's gonna stay 404. There's no need to sell the customer a new TXV. That thing's killer. All right, the compressor is changed. It's up and running. I'm at 49 degrees. I had to adjust that a ton so far. I'm at 9.5, so almost dialed in on the superheat. Just got to let the box pull down a little bit more. Still got a lot of work to do, and then we'll get it finally dialed in at the end. I just got done with that compressor change out, dialing in the superheat. Yeah, that one took a while. It was in just a funky location, and I haven't even taken a break yet. You know how it goes. You guys are all reefer techs. You don't get a lunch, you don't get a break. You just work, baby. All right, but I got 2 more stops today. One up in the mountains up here, and then one way out on the coast. And I think I can cut across the mountains to the coast. I'll get you guys a cool time lapse if I can do that. I'll have to put my brain together. All right, this is where I'm heading. for, I guess they got a couple reach-ins I got to look at. It's up here. It's this Quaker Center retreat. Yeah, it's like going to summer camp. Look, there's the Vangina on Google Maps. It's just yellow. No access to Alba Road. Oh, that's a bummer. Alba Road, when I'm done, would cut me across over so I could get to the ocean. Rats. You got the ferns. It's like the predator'd be in here. The predator with his predator blood. This one here is rough in wintertime. This is a rough one with all the trees falling and there's storms. It's crazy up here. There's one that got sawed off. Right there. This one here, the HVAC fan spinning way too slow. Party's over. A plug condenser on one unit, and I had a slow evaporator fan motor on the other unit. We're just getting out of here. I can hear the water running. Look. Oh, creek right there. All right, now we got to make our way over to the coast. Look how late it's getting. It's been an all day or so far today. 4:07, and we're still booking, Mac. Oh yeah, there it is. Can you see any water? In winter time, it just hammers up here. In the redwoods. Keep your eye out for Bigfoot. All right, let's boogie. Dude, how lucky am I? Driving up here to go fix a keg cooler. The hills of the U.S. Alright, just getting done. Heading back home finally. Look at 6:14. I'll be home in about 1 hour. About an hour drive from up here, but it's a gorgeous drive. I didn't film much work today. I was too busy working. I hope you guys don't mind this video like this. Hey, you know, something different. Day in the life. And something a little different. Busy little camper, no doubt. All right, like it if you liked it, don't if you didn't, subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you on the next one. Oh, look at the beach shot. And we'll see you on the next one. Yeah, that's all there. About an hour drive. I'll be home by 7, so what's that, 10-hour day? That ain't bad. I got more for tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow I can film some actual work. Get one for you guys. All right, laters. 9.5, so yeah, that one took mountains up here, and then one get you guys a cool time lapse if I can do that. I'll have to put my brain to it.